This is 1015 Wild Oats Way, an extraordinary estate in the heart of Peterson Ranch, where timeless luxury meets the rolling beauty of Templeton's wine country.
Here you have just under 7 acres, space to stretch out, slow down, and live the kind of life most people only dream about.
And with award-winning wineries just minutes away, you're in the heart of California's most laid-back wine region.
The gourmet kitchen is a true centerpiece with granite countertops and handcrafted Habersham cabinetry that combines elegance with functionality.
And this Lacanche range with double ovens and warming drawers makes hosting effortless and stylish.
Plus a sub-zero refrigerator and freezer, so whether it's charcuterie or leftovers, everything has its place.
The primary retreat is your personal sanctuary, complete with radiant heated limestone floors, quartzite countertops, and Lefroy Brooks fixtures imported from England.
And the closet, it's a total dream. Lighted custom build-ins give you the luxury of space and style all in one.
Tucked just beyond the main living area is your secret garden, lush, peaceful, and full of fruit trees and charm.
This swim spa adds a resort-style touch. Float, walk on the built-in treadmill, or just soak under the sun.
This is where elegance meets the land. You have chicken coops, you have greenhouses, she sheds, and raised garden beds ready for your next big idea or small farm dream.
And there's space here to create a vineyard, plant a wildflower field, or just let your hobbies bloom.
This kind of versatility doesn't come along often. It's land with luxury and soul.
With owned solar and a private 2,600-gallon well, this estate is as smart as it is stunning.
You're self-sufficient, sustainable, and set up for a lifestyle that's both elevated and grounded.
This is more than a home. It's an invitation to live beautifully.
In the top-rated Templeton School District and right where wine country meets everyday luxury living.
It's welcoming, elegant, and waiting for you. Come see it for yourself.
Welcome home to 1015 Wild Oats Way. Cheers!